fast, never slow for a minute.
What?
Ooh,
she want it. She need it. She want it. Bang bang boom. Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. You see right now, dog, I'm mad. I'm sorry people, but I'm now put the comment section over this another video. You see me, I say, next video. I post a video last night to them, I do the reaction of mad way and proper way, the dog. You see me, I say, are you think what's I'm like the bomb back away video, the dog? You see right now, dog, we're cross, we're hungry, we're miserable. You see me, I say, yeah man, that kind of feeling I say, no, so the pause boss is in full effect. I'm sure the video come do a popcorn video. They don't do the popcorn song them dog and then get black. Worldwide and nobody can see them. And that they do to Masicka video last night and that. So obviously, we heard they just a minute already. We know the song already. We see the video already because I do it last night. You see me I say? I react to the video last night. You see me I say? We're no 1 minute man over here. Never in a history. Nope. Left that alone. So, pause boss is in full effect. Like the video. Comment the fire emoji them. Tear up the like button to make the people them see say, hey boy. Me them call the reaction Bumbuckle Belt boss. And me say I go post a video. I go post a Bumbuckle Belt video. Run tune. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Done well. Big up yourself. And the instrument already people. You know say I'm bad piece of song this. The instrument say, hey, go on.
Hey, done well.
Yeah. Pass. The man there somewhere in a park where you know about that. Go on.
Them must say, oh, me can't see you. They got the top for a minute.
Them must say you can't see him. In the top for a minute. Oh. Me tell you, no sir. Hold on, pass. You see any type governor put out a song. Masicka put out a song. Me tell you that every time I have to a governor and a Masicka song, say the boy them a linking. The man them a linking. Wipe out the linking arguments to them. The man them a correspond that because them job song at the same time span and at the same them ever hit song and at the same time span. If you don't realize this by now dog, or no dance. You see me I say, fully dance, but we not dance for real. Go on do send that top for a minute.
Keisha said she no get the cock for a minute.
Sure.
Every session no buy the snacks for a minute.
Let me tell you this now. You see my girlfriend Keisha, you better get her body, you know that. I'm gonna get her it for you. You see me I say, don't run put the truck. Now go on.
Fly out and make the cash for a minute.
Yeah.
Circle Portmore, stop for a minute.
Oh yeah, go buy a pump at Portmore. Oh, why me the pump me I go buy? Cause why me take a step at Portmore for some so 1 minute to pump me I go buy for Portmore this son. You see me I say, but this is a flight time with the cash. Go on.
Me and the crocodile chit chat
for a minute.
Couple rifle, couple Chris Glock for a minute.
Bumbuckle. So you gonna link a Portmore girl for a minute, 1 minute, you know. Then they have couple rifle and couple Bumbuckle belt. Yo. Now go on for a minute. Alright then. Little sexy girl a minute. Me like when she went for a body for a minute. Hey. Pause boss in your hole for a minute. Hey. Reaction boss in your hole for a minute. Then she bubble and she take it and she take it for a minute. Oh Lord. Dilly dally for a minute. Whoa. She bump on the chat for a minute. Me not freestyle that song. Me can't freestyle for a minute. Or 10 minutes. Please 10 minutes what I ask. True.
Can you stamp for a minute?
Yeah.
Take off your jaws
and
stamp for a minute.
Whoa, look at one buckle belt, girl. Let me tell you, this is when they come in on my video, them when I react to, and you come with them big body and I video them. You have to get pause and look pan and tan and pre-ments and chat about for a good minute. You understand me? I try to say. Now go on, let me see you again, girl.
Me no stamp like that for a minute. Would not kill you with couple bank shot for a minute.
Woo! What I want to call it? Well, them sticky wine. Sticky wine, my friend. Sticky wine. But hold on, dog. Kind of 1 minute with a back shot this dog. Me tell you, say you 1 minute man in a Masicka. Me tell you, say you 1 minute man in a dog. Stop little bumbuck like 1 minute fuck for the girl them. Them girls say some whole long bumbuck like body. Now go on.
I feel sober, so me get first for a minute.
Head top.
All up, me call me cash for a minute.
So don't say you're broken. Yes, I'm not saying about now and that. Well, 1 minute, you can't. I will quit a Monday if you have for 1 minute I can't cash for that. Let me see if I can call my cash for a minute. See them have no money for me coming out now. You see? Seconds you cut my own in that. Anyway, I say, Bumbuckle, red tune.
She said them a leave.
What?
Stop them a mimic.
Yeah.
I saw them wobble, saw them drop every minute.
No, me want to go back in that, but me nah go back in. You do me I say because that video I get react to and I pass every minute. Now go on. Well, yeah. Start. The man say I tell him about the sky because the man nah no limit. Everybody talk about the sky is the limit. Them man say nah have no limit. You keep elevating. I rate that with you. That's for me too. You do me I say, remember the dog. Look, yo people, the aim will go for this year, the dog. 10K subscribers in the dog. Look at me now. Hey, look at me now. Oh. Run tune. Yeah. What? The man say, have your girl. Not my beautiful, sexy browning. I want more wide. And guess what in it? Reaction boss in your hole, you lie that. Right. What you doing, sir? Go on.
Just a minute.
Yeah.
No man not tell me about the sky, me not gonna limit.
Whoa! The girl them outside. The big batty girl they roll up. No, but the thing is that one girl they done the first time I watch the video. But go on for a minute. Yeah.
Swing the berry top on my belly for a minute.
Man, someone I want to talk about, but I'm reached 2 minutes in the song. Because we are going to pause for a minute. TikTok and talk for the girl. For the girl, tongue for a minute. Go on.
Link up and break up on myself for a minute. Say she want fuck. Pull up, let her for a minute.
Masicka, I'm tell you about 1 minute something like that, but I see the girl in the scroll with Masicka a while ago down, I get jealous. But this man says she want fuck. Pull up, there for a minute. Masicka, 1 minute. 1 minute, dog. What's up for you, dog?
She sing panic cocky like reggae for a minute.
Bumbo.
Girl now fuck.
All of my life in a dog, I've back in my face in a dog. And a girl never split pan it yet. All of my life I've back in my face. A girl never split pan the bubble come yet. She never split pan the baby. Yo. All of my life I've beaten the John. She never split pan it yet, dog. Sad. Go on.
For a minute, baby, me a come one steady. For a minute, man a band star, them a roll everything.
Hold on there. This is not a drum line or them man, well I know I'm going to say what go on real good.
For a minute, pop it down, fed up, bust the road, Shelly, we did it, what me need. Just a minute.
Copy me. Big videos, clap to it. Alright, if you know that song there, you don't know it. If you don't know it, I'm sorry. But go on. Me go do the bumbo come out a while ago. But go on.
No man not tell me about the sky, me not gonna limit.
Yeah.
Me have them girl, I want more, and me can't get it.
No, I have to go back now. I have to go back. What's she there?
You know the vibe, you see the life, I know me live it, what me need.
Fuck, I miss it. Just 1 minute I miss it. But guess what, me talk about no 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Go on.
Just a minute.
Yeah.
No man not tell me about the sky, me not gonna limit.
Yeah. But she get a Masicka one of the migrants somebody in a park. I don't know about that. You know, long some cricket no play over there, so. He said the best way to go social distance, but the man just there for that big man level dog. Tell the man to lift up, lift clutch. But go on, I'm not tell you I said that no more now. Because I done pass for a minute already. Go on. Yeah.
You know the vibe, you see the life, I know me live it.
Yeah. Wow, the girl look good. Little girl, me would have mashed it on them stands there right there so for a minute. Because Masicka turn everybody in a 1 minute man now at Jamaica. But hear me I say no man. Me reach 2 minutes set. I have 1 second to go watch a side. Bang. Now Bumbo clap. So people, this is a drum line. You know them man they're well professional and serious on the drum line them not that. Me don't know what show them called drum line, a classic show. Man I beat the drum them. I see man the girl them a cheerlead and them a do them go clap dance and them fuck, right? Them man have girl a wind up and down for them and them a beat the drum and them man a dagger them and them bag of things that girl a fling back around one corner and one place on this dog. That's a drum line nigga. Me never know that's a drum line nigga dog. Me one buckle belt. But around band or whatever them call themselves. But go on. Yo, no breaks.
Get pussy fast, never slow for a minute.
What?
Ooh,
she want it. She need it. She want it. She need it. What's on the go dog? You know, belly. Go on.
Can I give me shoot out every tools on? Me da bring it
Yeah.
the food down. Buy a new house every minute have a few.
Can't stay in that mouth. Not even for 1 minute. Not even for 1 minute. I don't care tell in that mouth. What do you know about that? Not even for a minute, dog. Look again, coming Tyrekevlogs. Just 1 minute. You're not gonna be disappointed. I'm gonna take care of you more for more than 1 minute. Go on.
New house, not the pool house. Me da dig it.
Yeah.
She ready for do it all. You me trick it. If you
Get a
should
boom flick and split pan in the eye. Boom flick and split pan in the ah. Why? Lord. You want to me tell you now? It's one of the black video and them bumbo clat things are going. Don't rap with me. Don't do it. May I tell you again? Go on.
hit the ball and a cricket what me need.
Hey.
Just a minute.
Yeah.
No man not tell me about this guy.
Oh yeah. Me say them little blood clot girl pitney I say. Man I want yo. I say uno. God create you for a reason, uno. For me look pan uno. I'm a son, uno. I'm gonna look pan uno because you deserve to get look pan. I look pan the right way. Now go on.
Me not gonna limit. Me love them girl I want more.
Through the fence you want to the big bumbo them dirty drum line thing dog, Masicka dog. What you do to people them drum line? What you do to the people them drum line? You have girl for man. Have man bars up and girl belly there ring and them thing there. No. Don't you? That's it. What's a minute? Where you pulling it? Why? Lord, Johnny boy. Ooh. Johnny boy. Oh no. She bombarded and bucket. Maybe somebody she gonna do to Johnny boy. Yeah.
Me have them girl I want more. Me can't get it.
That's supposed to be good. Me now play that jump for the rest of the day. Me just play on the inside and kick back for the whole day. So. Me now play no more jump. No more jump about back belt. No more. No go on.
Me see the life I do me living.
Yeah. Just a minute. Don't block my song not even for 1 minute. Don't block the reaction boys for them. Me don't talk. You don't know what's enough rap with me. SCT, tell them about me. Ryan, tell them about me. Nadine, tell them about me. So me don't pause with the people. I chop my water to the wall and eat both the water to the wall and meds. But it's when them things that go on, instead of breaking my heart again, dog, I know some used to catch my feelings and you video them get black in a dog. But I see when them things are gone. Them start, them turn on this. Yo, it's like them do this. And that the bumbo clock them do. And that them do. Don't block my video them. Now guess what? Video done enough. Video bumbo belt done enough. Video done. Video done. Subscribe. Like the video. Tell a friend for your minute. Subscribe and share for your minute. Hey, bumbo clock, yo. I have one more video for make. I 3 video I post today. Because I have a word for go mash. You hear me? I'm out.